mga partners, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jun at your service. Okay, for today's vlog mga partners, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-apply, okay, or mag-update sa ating tax info, no, sa ating AdSense account. As you can see my screen partners, papakita ko po sa inyo step by step, no? At kung bago ka pa lang, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay? So, pakiclick na rin din sa notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking mga video. Especially sa mga tutorial info. Okay? So, all you have to do is submit tax info. Yan. Click natin yan. Okay? And then, punta tayo dun sa ating sign in Google Adsense. Okay, ito yun. Yan. Tapos, sundan lang natin to. Click payments. Tapos, manage settings. Yan. Saan yun? Yan, manage settings. Yan. Okay. Natin yan. Manage tax info. Next, manage tax info. Okay. So, hintayin natin. Ayan. Loading. Tapos, ito naman, your payment are currently on hold because you have not verified your address. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa natin nakukuha yung PIN, no, na pinadala sa atin ni AdSense. So, ang process po nun ay 2 to 4 weeks, no, bago dumating yung AdSense natin. Based dun sa mga partners natin, no, sa mga YouTuber na nakapag-comply na sa kanilang mga requirements, at the same time na-receive na po nila yung kanilang PIN, no, nakukuha daw pa talaga yan sa, correct me if I'm wrong partners, nakukuha yun sa kanilang post office, no, sa malapit na post office. Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, akala ko ay ipapadala mismo sa ating Gmail account. Okay, yun pala para sa safety, no, ng ating account ay dun papadala sa ating post office. So by tomorrow, try kong puntahan yun, no, ang PEL post, baka nandun na, we hope, ang ating PIN, no, na pinadala ni AdSense. Ayan. So, as you can see mga partners, meron na tayong $9.64. So, kung mapapansin yung mga partners nakalagay dyan, no, all YouTuber creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure applicable tax and your payments are accurate. Okay? So, as you can see mga partners, meron tayong $9.64. So, pag na-reach natin yan, actually dapat $10 yan para mapadala na ni AdSense yung ating PIN. Okay? So, dito muna tayo sa ating manage settings. Punta tayo dito. Yan. Fill upan natin to.
sa mga ulit. Tapos 32 to 8. Tapos below 30% ulit.
Upload natin to. Okay, try natin na. Progress. You know, verification and progress. Thank you for submitting your tax verification information. We will notify you by email as soon as we process your tax information. We may request additional documents if needed. This process will take a few days to complete. Yan. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, mga partners, pupunta tayo ngayon sa ating Gmail account para i-check na natin kung pumasok yung update ng tax verification natin. Okay, so click natin yung Gmail natin. Okay, so ibig Google. Ayun! Okay, yan ang partners mabilis lang talaga, mabilis. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, ngayon ko lang na-update. Kaya, ayan, thank you so much, Google Adsense. So, click natin to, your tax information has been approved. Okay. So, your tax information has been approved. If there are no others holds on your accounts in your balance, click natin to. So, ayan, your tax information has been approved. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga televiewers natin dyan. Ito lang po ang kailangan natin gawin para mabawasan po yung tax rate natin. Ayan. Advice. If there are no others hold on your account and your balance is above any minimum payment threshold that may apply, you'll be paid on timely basis and right taxes will be withheld, okay, if applicable. Yan. You can view your confirmation tax information Google Adsense centers. Ayan. Okay, check pa natin. Mayroon pa yun isa. Sana yun? Si Google. Wala na. Wala na. Work abroad. Wala na. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat mga partners. Kung nagustuhan nyo po, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. At pakiclick na rin din po sa notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking mga video. Once again, my name is Jun. God bless everyone. And see you on top.